in.
Yep. We dowel the bottom side.
Is there no, there's not a thing here, right?
Nope. No.
Oh, circle.
No, there. Did you just say circle?
Isn't that a circle?
And that is a hexagon. It's an Allen key.
Oh.
What? How the hell would you screw in a circle?
Well, that got me confused.
Oh my god, that's so funny.
Cool. But I guess I can hear.
You want this on that?
Yeah, because I was trying to fit a space. This keeps sliding and doesn't fit within the door, but that kind of fits there, and it will make it look clean with the bookshelf.
You're good. You can get out of there.
Yeah, there's lots of space actually.
For what?
Like, should we go right? I guess we can't go right to the corner because your picture's there.
Well, we'll have to move the
What I could do is we leave it there, and then I could put like a plant or something, like to fill in the space.
What?
Just move it over a little bit so it's like lined up here.
Yeah.
Okay, good morning. It is the next day because I ran out of time yesterday into installing our bookshelf. So, here's the grand reveal. I haven't styled it yet. Brendan has. That's his contribution, which I will be moving. He needed a couple of the boxes that these were in, so he just threw them there, but I'm gonna fix all that. This is the IKEA bookshelf. I can't remember what this one is called. I think it starts with an H. I'm not too sure, so I'll leave it on the screen or linked it down in the description so you can see it. But I was debating the Billy bookshelves, but I didn't really want black. I love how this looks. I love how it matches, well, it doesn't match, but it like goes well with the baseboards. It goes well with our green walls. I do like how last minute I wanted to put the carpet under here. I think that looks great. Project for another day is to fix all of these old baseboards. That is just, I don't know if it's paint, plaster, all of the above, no idea. Also, none of these floors are level, so that took a bit to level that out compared to that. So anyway, now I'm gonna get to styling it. I'm really excited to bring out all of my old thrifted books and kind of go through them all because I haven't seen them since I thrifted them, and those were years ago. So I'm excited, I'm very giddy. I've been wanting to do this project for a while, and now we finally get to do it. And yeah, going with the styling. I have nowhere good to put you so you can see it. So what can you see? You just see these two shelves. Okay, so I can work with that. I think what I'm gonna do is just lay everything on the floor. I think that will be the best thing. Brendan really wants all of his engineering textbooks here. I don't, because they don't go with the vibe. I'm very proud of him. He's a very, very smart individual. I'm very proud of him for his accomplishments, but like, it's not working. And technically this is my room. He has his room over in the guest room, which he plays Xbox in and all that stuff, so he can display those there. I'm not putting them in a box to never be seen again. He can display them there. I'm not that mean. Oh yeah. I learned sign language a couple years ago, and I started with the signing for kids. I thrifted this book, or I think my mom gave it to me actually, and yeah, that was a lot of fun. I fully lifted this box with my dad. I'm gonna organize everything by color. Those are kind of similar. So I'm gonna have to go around the house and find my other books, but I'm gonna start with this for now. So this is what I've collected. This is like the red section. This was actually my great grandfather's. This is his mechanical engineering handbook. I am obsessed with the royal family, so I was reading a little bit of the coronation book. So that's there. Those are all the red books. And there's the elements of drawing and Jane Austen is there, which was a pretty cool find. So those are green, practical mathematics, and this is the one that is also my I think those are my grandfather's. This is the classic How to Win Friends and Influence People. So I have that. A couple years ago, my family, we do a gift exchange at Christmas time where we thrift each other presents rather than going out and buying new things and all that stuff. And I was obsessed with Little House on the Prairie as a kid. So my mom thrifted me all of Laura Ingalls Wilder books, and I love it. So I'm gonna put those together in their own thing, take them out of the box, but I just thought that was nice. So I've saved this for the specific room and bookshelves. So I've kept them in their box and all that stuff. So really excited about that. And here are all of my other books. I hate reading hardcover, but I love the look of them. So I took all the sleeves off, and these are a lot of the books that I've read over the past couple years, but I enjoyed them and will be reading again. Alex Trebek. Oh, he holds a special place in my heart. I love Jeopardy. I love his story, all that stuff. So this is a very special book to me. But yeah, then I got some more. This was also, oh my God, this was such a great book. If you are just in that business entrepreneur mindset, this is a great book to read. All right, now I'm just going through all of my books. That was a pretty good one, but I like the cover of it. So, and then I have all my paperbacks that I like to read. So these are just other paperbacks as well that I have, that these are the books that I love and I will read multiple times. So I wanted to keep those in a bookshelf. Usually if I'm reading a book, but I'm very picky on the books that I reread. I do like to reread a lot of books. Like, in other things, I'll just donate them or do the local, like, neighborhood libraries. I'll put a lot in there. There is a couple books that I regret giving away because I was like, the other day I was kind of like, I kind of want to read that again. Shamefully enough, I want to reread Verity. I actually really liked that book. I'm like torn between the Colleen Hoover thing. Like, I think I'm just getting sucked into like the TikTok things of it. Anyway, styling now. I didn't mean to get into a whole tangent and sharing my books. I'm just excited because I get to bring them all out and showcase them. So actually, maybe I can use some of these books to put you as a ledge so you can see up close. Just need like a little thing here. That's another thing. I need to go to the thrift store and get little trinkets to put because I don't want to fill it. Maybe a couple things I'll fill, but no. Okay, for the time being, I'm gonna leave them like that. Actually, that might look nice and I can put something on top of it. I keep finding books. I think I'm now getting more into the aesthetics versus the functionality. I need to remember, which is not why we're here. So, maybe I could line the bottom of them like that. Yeah, let me do that. Like that. I forgot I still have the value bill. Okay, I'm just gonna put them all out and then from there, figure out. Such a great book. I should do a whole video on just business books people should read. I don't know why I kept that as a Sudoku book. Oh, it's completed too. Why am I keeping that? Okay, how do I want to do this? Because I don't like how this looks. Maybe I'll just leave it for now. Switch these guys over here. Put authors together. Oh wait, this isn't even my book. That's my mom's book. Okay, for the time being, I'm gonna leave these like that. Not happy with it, but I don't know how to fix it. So please comment down below your ideas of how I should organize that. Or if I should stack them like that. Like I have these books up here. Put this on an angle. No. Okay, that works. Perfect, okay, that works. So that's what we've got so far in the book department. I don't know if it's too spaced out or if it's too crazy. I don't really like the clutter. Like that's it there from this angle. I want to get another plant to put up top there. I think some greenery would look nice around here. Filling the spaces with little knick-knack things. I think I can get, like, I can take a picture and like put it like that. Like that would look nice. Whoops, like something like that. Yeah, I can do that. Okay, we're getting there. We are getting there. I did want to take my record player and my records and see if I could do something like this, but I think this is too small. So eventually the whole idea of this room, we're gonna do a reading chair there, and then I was gonna do like a little like half sideboard table and put that there and put my record player on top of it and then the records underneath, and then do like a carpet and a nice big chair. I did kind of think about doing bookshelves up top there, but I don't think I need to do that, so I don't have enough books. This is the desk. So, oh, wait a second. Sorry, I'm getting distracted. Okay, we are getting there. The green would look nice with the red and it look higher up and it's not as glare. There's not a big glare to it. Maybe there is. I think that's just the painting itself, not the location. Hey, we are getting somewhere. I like this. I have a bit of a chaotic mind if you haven't figured it out already. Okay, I like the painting in here. I think that looks nice. I'm gonna switch this out. I don't like how high that is. I have a lot of these bigger books that I don't know where to put because that I think would be a little too chaotic to do. Diana, I have a cookbook that can go downstairs. And Simone, quick cookbook, a cookbook. All right, Monet, that's a good one. I could put these here. I guess they're long, so these I thrifted for my sister. They're Walt Disney books. When she's over, she just flips through these, so I kind of want to make these easily accessible for her, but I don't think that works, so I might just keep these in the guest room, which is her room when she's here, in the like side table, so I won't be using those. I also have this that I thrifted. It's all the Great Royals front pages of the newspapers, which is really cool. Very cool. Anyway, so I want to have this, like maybe if I put this up like that, that would be cool, do you think? I can't even see what I'm doing, like if I had it flat out to share, but I think that kind of takes away from it. So it's also folded. It wasn't, I didn't store that properly. So for the time being, let me leave that there so it can get its shape back. Okay, so it's been a couple days. I did go to the thrift store and fiddled around with more boxes to fill out this bookshelf. Start at the bottom. I went to the thrift store, it was Salvation Army, and I saw this little like magazine holder. I kind of love the like trim on it and like the burgundy red kind of feel to it, which doesn't really match anything except for this dresser, which we're getting rid of, or I'm sanding down and refinishing. Most likely getting rid of because I got it for free on the side of the road. That's what we're doing, but I really like the stain of the wood, so I thought it would fit nicely here. I'm not too sure. And then I'm just gonna put some coffee table books in there, which I'm going to thrift because I surprisingly have run out of coffee table books because I've put them places. So that's new here. Don't think anything has changed along here. That's pretty full, I believe. Here's just a box of just random things. I think all of my crafts are in there. So I got like some pottery clay, paintbrushes, crayons, pencils, all that sort of stuff. So that's in there. This was a PR package, I believe, from a couple years ago. It's just like a calligraphy set that they gave me, and then this was the book. And I just love the print, and I thought it matched well with the blue I got going on here, so put that on there. And then my curling rock that holds a bunch of little trinkets and random things that I have. And then here, I don't think I added any more books, but this is Brendan's baby bowl. It has his name engraved in there, which is pretty cool, so figured we put that on display. I should ask his parents if I can polish it because it's silver, I'm assuming, and I don't, like, it's all tarnished. Is that the right word? Anyway, so I might go out and get a polishing kit, but I'm gonna ask his parents first to make sure that's something I can do, so I don't want to ruin it. But I don't think it's supposed to be that color, you know what I mean? I don't know, maybe I'm totally wrong, but I'm just thinking of like my grandma's silverware. Like she would polish it once a week and then she stopped doing it like years ago and now it looks like this. Oh, I almost dropped. You remember the print that was new or the same? That's all the same. I added one of my best trophies and this little thing I got from Indigo. Whoa. Oh, and then Brendan's thesis is here from when he did his master's in mechanical engineering. So there you go. It's filling in with things that are related to us and like our interests and all that sort of stuff. So I'm very happy with how it looks. Oh, I added a little IKEA plant that I found, but I don't like it. I'm gonna go out and find something better. Probably not a real plant because I can't keep them alive, but maybe I'll have to do it with the one that I like. But yeah, that is everything here. I should have filmed this a couple hours ago when the sun was just coming up, when it was like a nice golden sunrise and it was just so bright and orange in here and it was just beautiful. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Sorry this video was a little bit chaotic, and I don't even know if it was interesting or not. Regardless, I hope you enjoyed. Go follow me on TikTok because that's where I post all of my thrifting hauls and shop with me's and things like that. I'll leave all of that information in the description down below. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.